Fender bags, I love them. The best way of transporting heavy tools and sharp object that you don't want on your bag. Actually, I got myself the Fender front Fender bag where I carry my tools in. It's fairly 2 kilos that are not in my, maybe over 2 kilos that are not in my bag. I don't have anything sharp anymore in my bag. For example, I really believe it's a good product. So it comes like this, very sleek. It's totally waterproof. It fits the Lindsdon organizer. It's 1.6 liter. It's roughly 27 centimeter by 16 or 17 centimeter by 5 width. So you can fit in it and your tool bag, and I personally put gear lever, clutch lever and front brake lever all into this bag, and it's sitting on my front fender. It looks sleek and doesn't move, never fell off or whatever. Never get any moist in it. It's a really well made product in my opinion.
What's the other size you have? That's the 1.6.
The 2.9 liter, so almost 3 liter. This one I don't have it because it's pretty big, so I don't have the needs of this one. But it's the same concept. This one fits. It will fit normally more the tail. It's supposed to go on your tail, and it will fit either that backpack, the roll, which is quite big to be honest, or the bit organizer that we described in another video. So, like this, you roll it and click it attached to your tail, and you can get rid of 4 kilos of tools. The attach system is very simple. It's also, having testing it, it's secure, it's reliable, it's safe. It doesn't move once it's clipped on. It's really tight. So basically, you go and clip under your plastic, and you just pull that rope to tighten them. And as you can tighten on both sides, it will secure the bag and stop it from sliding backward, frontward, and etc. So yes, those bags for me are really good. The small bag, I really love it because it's not killing the design. I mean, it looks sleek, it's beautiful, the machine looks just better with it on. This one, you start looking like you're going camping or traveling, and I don't really like having too much accessories on the bag, on the bike.
ADV, that's
it's
your
ADV
BMW.
public, yeah. The public for this is...
You're driving around in an XR150, it's not surprising it's too big for you.
Yep, it is. Actually, it's heavier than my bike, so I don't need this. But yeah, ADV people will love that. It's totally waterproof. It's the way it's been engineered actually still keep me stunned. It's been so thermo glued and glued. All the techniques possible have been used on the same bag. So I've been doing some research. It's actually very well done. Yeah, it's perfect setup for day, 2 day, 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. I mean, lifetime. Your toolbox is in this one. It's not gonna move. You don't have surprise when you open the bag. You're not finding water or rusted tools. Like everything stays like the same way as you put it in. It's really good. This one will offer the same features, just in much bigger. So double XL.